What's going on, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be going on a test drive in a 1985 Monte Carlo SS. Does have a mid-70s 350 in it, mild cam. Car actually felt pretty peppy. But we're going to take off down the road. I'm going to point out any kind of flaws that I can find. You can check us out at maplemotors.com. We sell old classic cars. We buy about 40, we sell about 40 every single month. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. It's that time. Let's go for a test drive. Kind of look around the interior before we take off. Looks like it's in decent shape. Somebody put a dash cap on the car here. Interior is not all tore up. The seats are a little bit faded. Say sun faded. The back seats are in really good shape. Headliner looks great in this car. We'll go ahead and start it up here. Starts up nice and easy. I noticed the brake light cut on. I did check the brake fluid. It was good, so. Do not have the AC. They took those options off. Horn doesn't work. Let's see. Tilt. Windshield wipers. Let's try them out. They're working. All right. We do have power windows. Passenger window is pretty slow. You're gonna have to help it up too, so have to replace the motor in the passenger window. All right, let's take off. All right, this car does need some little stuff. I noticed there's no rear view mirror on it. Seat belt isn't exactly working correctly. So yeah, I'm not gonna use it because I can't get it out in the back there. Some of the gauges are completely out on this one. I'd say the temp gauge is pretty much maxed out. It's not working. It was like that when I started it up too. It's showing 65,000 miles. Of course, I can't stand behind that. They've changed the motor out. The speedo's not working. It's stuck on 15. Probably gonna need the gauge cluster redone. We will stop at the gas station because I believe the gas gauge does work. Sounds pretty good. Feels pretty good going down the road. Steering's nice and tight. Not having any issues there. Brake light's on, but it's stopping really fast. I mean, we got good brakes here. RPMs seem to be accurate. Like I said, that gas gauge is floating around too, so I think it's working. We'll see if we got any heat. I'm telling you, Tennessee weather is crazy. It was pretty warm yesterday, and I think it's like 45 today. We don't have a blower motor. It's not working in this car here. I can hear the radio cut on. I can't get it to play any channels. Probably could if I worked with it a little bit more, but I'm gonna keep checking the rest of the car out here. Turn signal's popping up on the dash there. It's popping up on both sides. We've made it to the gas station, so I'm gonna go ahead and put about $20 worth of fuel in here. We'll check the gas gauge out. So far, so good on the running and driving part of this car. It does have a lot of little issues with the gauge cluster. The seat belt, missing the rear view mirror here, and that little window motor was acting funny. It actually went up and down pretty fast once I got over there and started messing with it, but it has a spot where it gets stuck. So let's put some gas in here. All right, just put about only got $12 worth of gas in this car. So I believe the gas gauge was reading wrong. It was showing right at quarter tank. We'll get in here, see if it's moved any. I believe we have a full tank of gas. It's not really moving at all. What's going on, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors at Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we just got set y'all up in the driver's seat here. We're going to take off. Kickdown's hooked up on this one. This car's definitely got some pep. I'm a little surprised. That little ticking noise you're hearing is that speedo cable. You can actually watch it bounce as it ticks. We'll kind of check the suspension over here. You're gonna hit a big old bump in the road or take a right. I don't know what's wrong with that lady. Big old bump in the road right here. Nice and smooth. Right around the corner from the lot now, so gonna head up there in a second. Guys, if you haven't already, I'm gonna put this in the description below. This is a Tellison metal extension pole for your GoPro 7 or GoPro 8. I use GoPro 7 to make all these videos and stuff, but you can see everything that I'm using right below in the description, and I put links to it. Pulling back in the lot here. We got a few more cars to get to today. We got an Impala sitting there I'm going to be doing here in a little bit. Going ahead and get my videos on it. I just put up the latest walk around of every car on the lot. Some people get confused. I date all the videos. so you can see how new and how old these videos are. I do appreciate y'all watching. If you have any other questions, visit maplemotors.com. There's a lot of information on there. You'll get most of your questions answered. We got financing options, transportation options, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. If you like this video, hit subscribe. If you like my gear and the footage, you can see everything that I use below in the description. I do appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again, guys.